Ladies and gentlemen, it's a wonderful Monday afternoon. No, not because it's warmer than usual outside. No, not because I'm almost done for the day, but because it's official. Finally, after more than 6 years of waiting, the fight of our generation is officially a go. Saturday, May 2nd, 2015, Manny Pac-Man Pacquiao versus Floyd Money Mayweather. And I don't mean to sound biased, but I think I know exactly who's going to win. And you know who else knows? He knows. The pride of the Philippines. That's right, the countdown begins. And guess what, guys? It's also after 4 o'clock. The markets there officially closed, and it's time to grab yourself a drink and celebrate this wonderful, wonderful day, because it's happy hour in New York City. The new week has seen U.S. stocks pull back slightly from Friday's highs amid anticipation of Fed Chair Janet Yellen's remarks over the next 2 sessions. Also, Greece continuing to make headlines as expected. Investors awaiting the presentation of Greek reform proposals this afternoon after the country's bailout program received a 4-month extension from the Eurogroup. Meanwhile, investors already looking forward to Janet Yellen's remarks to be released over the upcoming 2 trading sessions. And on the economic front today, not so great. Existing home sales figures dropping 4.9% in January. That's the lowest level in 9 months. Now you team that with crude oil prices falling below $50 a barrel, gold prices turning lower in volatile trade, and the U.S. dollar rising against its counterparts, and you have yourself a session this afternoon where decliners were just a step ahead of advancers over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the Dow Jones has closed down this first trading session of the week. And on the corporate front, it's been a busy day. Apple shares hitting yet another all-time high, this time above $132 a share after the iPhone maker said that it will spend $1.9 billion to build 2 new European data centers, one in Ireland and the other in Denmark. Google winning dismissal of a lawsuit that had accused it of forcing Android phone makers to designate Google offerings as the default applications. And Dish Network founder and chairman Charlie Ergen will return to take charge of the firm after the current CEO, Joe Clayton, retires on March 31st. And lastly, in an important SEC filing, Goldman Sachs revealing that it had received a letter from the U.S. attorney concluding that Goldman had violated federal law in connection with the underwriting and sales of residential mortgage-backed securities. A big deal. Goldman went on to say that it's reasonably possible legal costs could be $3 billion more than it currently has reserved. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and if you're not in a good mood, cheer up, because we've got almost 2 months to wait for the fight of our generation. I'll be talking about it quite a bit, trust me. And for ModernWallStreet.com saying I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney.